Here he comes.
Man of the year, still got problems. Looking in the mirror.
What's up, guys? So for the past couple years, I've done 4th of July well. Different. I've done it different.
Pain, right? So I was like, you gotta go. I'll take you. So we go. And they had to give him a shot. And I was like, one part of me was like,
Are they really gonna?
One day, when I came home at lunchtime, I heard a funny noise. Went out to the backyard to find out if it was one of those ratty boys. Stood there with the neighbor, called Peter, in a flux capacitor. He told me he built a time machine, wanted to film a scene. Yeah.
Him's smart. He's smart. I was over here trying to twist the motherfuckers on my hand.
Oh, we're gonna do with the basic one.
Okay, I'm gonna. How close do you guys should get to this one and see what it looks like?
Pause.
Close to these nuts.
I'm gonna get all up in it. Oh shit! Was that the?
I wanted to get closer, but not that close.
Oh my!
Oh no, it's Aiden! You want those smokes like dark?
Okay, we're gonna do some more.
What does that button do? Whoa. Ooh. I feel like being a little trickster tonight. And I happen to have these. I happen to know that Marcus, his car is at the stand. So Marcus, I'm so sorry. Look at paint on your car. That's Marcus's car, and I'm gonna draw him.
Had my head in a bottle, watching headlights from the back of the bar. All I wanna hear is your voice say I miss you, 'cause I miss you. Footsteps to your door, yeah, I know I'll find a way. Can't take it anymore, I just gotta see your face. I've been
You're Wait, hang on, you're blocking my camera view. The fuck?
Oh my, this is really art. This is cool. I like that.
Yeah, let's go. Guest house.
Oh, okay, okay.
Nice. Oh, it's a visor. Let's go.
I actually like this. I'm gonna keep this.
Yeah.
Wait, where's Tucker? Is he okay?
Come on now, baby.
Right as I pull back from the step back.
Oh!
That's a Space Jam.
Oh! Oh!
No way.
Here's see if there's any wall on your back real quick. Yeah, there it is, right there.
footsteps to your door, yeah, I know I'll find a way. Can't take it anymore, I just gotta see your face. I've been working overtime.
Was it a point or did he he missed?
Hey, Zay,
Yeah.
you want to play a fun game called Candy or Drugs?